rule of direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech, according to my point of view, your rule 1 and rule 2 is already over. Change of tense में कैसी होती है? Probably direct और indirect speech when we are converting, convert करने वक्त क्या क्या होती है? Everything it is updated. Okay? Yes, we will be starting with rule number 3 actually. Okay, because rule number 1 and rule number 2 is already over, and same thing we are going to do, nothing here very specified. कुछ नया तो नहीं होने वाला है. Like we will be coming up with the different tenses in this place. कि different tenses में क्या होती है. Probably direct और indirect speech में हमने क्या करते हैं, हमारे जो conversation है वो direct रहेगा या indirect रहेगा. The meaning and the formation of the sentence will be different according to it, right? जब हम direct speech से indirect speech जब हम convert करेंगे, so what will happen in that case? The formation of the sentence will be going on another case, because directly बोलने बात अलग होती है और indirectly अलग होती है. So last class में हमने क्या किए थे? present continuous रहेगा तो past continuous हो जाती है, या present perfect रहेगा तो past perfect हो जाती है, and if it is simple present, simple past हो जाती है. So we were learning so and so rules about it, and उसके related हमने थोड़े बहुत sentences भी देखे थे. Okay, even we had learned about some sentences. थोड़े बहुत sentences के बारे में भी हम देखे थे. And today we will be learning about rule number 3. Okay, rule number 3 में भी काफी सारे different types of sentence मिल जाएगा. इसमें probably past और future tense की ज़्यादा what to say priority दिया जाता है. On the last rule what we were learning, the present tense has been converted to the past tense, right? Simple present simple past हो जाता था, present continuous past continuous, and present perfect will be converted to past perfect. So in this case what we are going to learn about the past tense and also the future tense. Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask me. Rather than that, don't disturb. Okay. Past tense and future tense basis में now I taught you about simple present will be converted to simple past, but simple past की sentence दिया है. What you will be doing at that case? What you will be doing in the case of simple past? Say simple past को क्या करेंगे? The question will be in the past and we have to convert it to the future. Is that is a type of rule? Is that is a type of rule? Don't you think the rule is going on the wrong way? Rule number 53. Pratham, give a try. Past to past perfect. Very good. 77. Varsha, very good. Past simple. What past? Past in the sense simply you will not say like that if the sentence is given on the format of simple past. अगर sentence को simple past के basis के द्वारा दिया है convert the sentence from simple past to past perfect. Let's go with the example so that you will be understanding it very clearly. She said Irwin arrived on Sunday. She said Irwin arrived on Sunday. So what you are going to do? What you are going to do in this case of sentence? By reading the sentence itself. Probably I had taught you before. Like ये चीज you have to keep in mind. हमेशा याद रखना है इस चीज को. Whenever you are going to you are going to find what kind of a tense it is. What type of a tense it is. वो टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस कैसे जानेंगे? बाय सीइंग द डायरेक्ट स्पीच which is given. ये इनडायरेक्ट ये कन्वर्सेशन जो बोल रहे हैं, he said, she said, they said or exclaimed or questioned whatever, ये दोनों का तुम्हारे नोट नहीं होगा. You will be seeing the question which is given or the sentence which is given inside the direct speech. वो डायरेक्ट स्पीच के भाव के हिसाब से तुम देखेंगे. Okay, what the sentence is, what type of a sentence is given over there? Irwin arrived on Sunday. She said that Irwin was arrived on Sunday. No, I am not asking the answer. You didn't understand my question. I am asking here what type of a sentence it is. What type of sentence I have provided on the whiteboard. Simple past, very good. That tense is nothing but simple past. So in this case, what you are going to do? Simple past according to rule. Simple past will be converted to, when you are converting to direct indirect speech, past perfect. Was नहीं आएगा इसमें. Okay. Identify sentence. What are the sentence it is? What type of a sentence? Simple past. Now let's convert. She said, add of conjunction that, said का सही रहेगा. Okay. Reported verb that Irwin is given. Irwin is another boy, she is another person. Okay, so Irwin को Irwin ही रहने दो. नाम लिखेंगे तो भी चलता है और ही लिखेंगे तो भी चलता है. Irwin had arrived. Had arrived on Sunday. Understanding? Had arrived on Sunday. Any other example rather than this? She said, I taught English online yesterday. She said, I taught English online yesterday. I want you to answer in the chat box which is provided. I want you to answer in the chat box which is provided. Yes. Identify simple past. Okay. What will be the next step? What will be the next step? I want everyone to answer in the chat box. Let me see about your concern. What you have. What kind of a state you are in? She said that she had taught English online yesterday. Okay. She said that she had taught English online yesterday. Okay. Okay. Well, only 2 of them have answered among 82, 81 students. Only 2 of them have answered. I want more answers from you. I want more answers from you. She said with me suddenly, reported work. Add of conjunction that I will be converted to she. Had आएगा कैसे ऐड आएगा बिकॉज इट इज पास्ट परफेक्ट हैड थॉट इंग्लिश ऑनलाइन अकॉर्डिंग टू द अपडेटेड स्पेसिफिक वर्ड the day before, or you can say even yesterday is also right. Can you see? One more sentence related to this. Very simple. I won the match. He said I won the match. What will be your answer in this? He said to will become he said to will become told. Very good. He told that I won the match. I won the match. See, probably what we are doing in this case, he said to me that it is what I am converting right here. The past, the simple past is converted to past perfect. When the simple past is converted to past perfect, you have to say me on the basis of that. So what will happen in this case? Said to, according to the reported work, what it will be converted to? Told, he told. Again you continue, add of conjunction that I, change of pronoun I will be converted to he, because the talk possessive clause is about him only. So on that case what you are going to do? He had won the match. Understanding 10th standard? Have you understood now? So see about these three types of examples. Very simple. Like the main motive thing in indirect and direct speeches, इसमें क्या हमको बहुत जरूरी चीज है that we have to identify. पहले हमारे क्या काम है कि we have to identify what type of a tense is provided in the direct speech. फिर direct speech और tense के हिसाब से हमको क्या करना है यहाँ पे बदलना है sentence को. Depending on the tense, we are going to change the sentence. Okay? If it is provided on the basis of simple past, we will be converting it to past perfect. If it is simple present, it will be converted to simple past. So you should know all the 12 rules which is provided in tenses, and वो 12 rules जानने के अलावा what you have to know, you should know to find. ये भी तुमको जानना चाहिए कि how you are going to identify whether it is simple past or whether it is simple present or whether it is past perfect or continuous. That also should be knowing for you guys. Okay? Understood? Yes. You have a doubt. Okay. Say.
Then?
Yes. Say.
मतलब सिंपल पास्ट का पास्ट परफेक्ट हो जाएगा तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट का प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट हो जाएगा.
वैसे सब नहीं होगा. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट अगर सिंपल प्रेजेंट रहता है, what are you saying? It will be converted to simple past. Okay? Past in the sense everything of the thing which is already over. So simple past को simple future थोड़ी कर सकते हैं हमने. अपने हिसाब से रूल सब नहीं बनाना है. Whatever the rule is being to us, whatever the rule is given to us, उसके हिसाब से ही चलना है. Okay?
ओके मैम. और फिर सिंपल पास्ट का पास्ट परफेक्ट हो जाएगा तो हेड ही आएगा ना सब.
हाँ, हैड ही आएगा. सब में हैड ही आएगा. ओके? was की इस्तेमाल नहीं होगा. Even though was is a past word, फिर भी उसका इस्तेमाल तुम नहीं करेंगे. ओके?
यस.
Because was being, had been, was being, ये सारे सेंटेंस तुमको कंटिन्यूअस में आएगा. Go according to the rule. Don't make up any rules newly. Understanding?
ओके मैम.
Okay, I'll give you a minute. Copy this out. Then next I'll be going to the next title, subtitle. The rule is not over yet. Take a pic of that. Shall I rub the board? 10th standard. Shall I rub the board? So what is the main content about this is, once you understand about the rule, so directly, automatically you can easily translate it, convert it. It will make it more easier for you to understand. Next is past continuous. Past continuous. According to rule, past continuous will be converted to past perfect continuous. It will be converted to past perfect continuous. Let's see the example. They were playing. They were playing football. They told me. What it will be converted to? They told me according to reported verb rule. According to reported verb rule, we priorly don't have anything. Reported verb में said का ही दिया है, told के लिए कुछ अलग रूल नहीं दिया है. When the rule is not given, वो जो word दिया है, वो word वैसे का वैसे ही रहेगा. यहाँ पे रूल के हिसाब से कुछ दिया नहीं है. So keep it as it is. They told me. They told me add of conjunction that we will be converted to they according to the change of pronoun. They where will be converted to had been. Continuous, no? Had been continuous. So past भी होना चाहिए और continuity भी होनी चाहिए उसमें. तो फिर क्या इस्तेमाल करेंगे? पास्ट के लिए had इस्तेमाल करेंगे, continuity होने के लिए been इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Understanding? For on the basis when you teach this, like it should be on the concern like for regarding the past basis you will be adding the word had over here and continuous बताने के लिए will be continue होगा इसमें. Okay? Had been playing football. Understanding? This is how the sentence will work out in the change of sentences, in the change of pronoun, or according to when you are checking the tense and changing it out. This is how the sentences will be changed, and it is more important for you. In this case also one of the student was giving the statement of was. So see here, she said I was. She said I was teaching earlier. So what will happen in this case also? Your answer will be on the basis of your reported verb said will become said only. In this case, she said add of conjunction that change of pronoun. She had been teaching earlier. On the basis of this you are going to write, we were playing football, they told me that they had been playing football. So ये had been इस्तेमाल करने में क्या हो जाता है? The sentence is given on the basis of past and at the same time it is provided on the basis of continuity. Okay? One more sentence.